Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Suppose we want to collect the contact information of large number of people, like contact information of people who attended our seminar. We want to collect the information of the friends or relative who are going to attend our party invitation so we can arrange the food accordingly, student attendance, employee details, or want to conduct online test. So what we generally do is we are asking people one by one their details and writing down on the paper or typing in the computer. We require data entry person for this particular task, and also it is very time consuming. Instead of doing all this, Google provided us great free tool to collect the user data in real time and responsive way. All we have to do is create a Google form. You don't require any website or coding language to create form. Today, I am going to show you how to use Google Forms for data collection. Friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe first and press the bell icon for new video update. Thanks. So, without wasting time, let's start the video. First, log in to Google and search Google Forms. Click on the first result link. Here, on Personal, click Go to Forms. You can see Google has already provided some form templates like contact information, RSVP, party invitation, t-shirt sign up, assessment. Below is the recent forms which I have created earlier. You can use any of these or can create a new form. Here is the form format. Let's title the form name as contact information. You can also add the description, let's say class 12 students. You can add questions by clicking on plus sign. Type name in the box and answer should be in short and not in paragraph. And I want this field as must required. Now add next question box, type gender, and this time answer should be from multiple choice. Add first choice male and second female. Enable this field required. Next question is date of birth. Type DOB, answer must be date. Also enable this field required. Next is which languages you know. So type language and this time answer is from tick box grid. In row type language's name and in column type read, write and speak. I want this field is optional, so not enabling required. Next question I want is rating. So type rating and answer is from linear scale. For 1 rating type poor and for 5 rating type excellent. Next I want is teacher performance. Type teacher in the question box and this time answer should be from multiple choice grid. In row type teacher is clear, teacher corrects my doubt, teacher is punctual, and in column type never, sometimes, usually and always. Next is upload photo or documents. So type photo or documents in question box. This time, answer should be file upload. Uploaded file will be saved to form owner's Google Drive. Click on continue. You can select allow only specific file types like PDF, spreadsheet, image, video, etc. You can also limit the number of files user can upload and also limit the size of the upload file. Now our form is ready. We can check the preview of the form. Okay, everything looks good. Some additional features like from here you can import questions from earlier created forms. Tick mark the questions you want to import. You can also add second title and description. You can add image to the form. Let's insert school image and check how it looks by clicking on preview. You can also add video to the form. If your form is large, then you can split in two parts. For that, add section to the form. So while filling the form, user can proceed to next part of the form by clicking next button. You can customize the design of the form by changing header photo, theme color, background color, and font style. Now, to get the link of the form, click on this three dot and select Get Prefilled Link. At the bottom of the form, click on Get Link and then Copy Link. You can share this link to students so they can fill the form. Let's open the form link and start filling the form. Enter name, then select gender, then select date of birth, tick the languages you know, give the ratings, select teacher performance, then file upload, after filling the form, click on submit button. You can see that our response is recorded. Click on submit another response and fill the details of another student. Now let's go to Google Forms. You can see that we have received 2 responses. Click on it, you can see all details that we have received. Now I want the data in Excel format. So click on Create New Spreadsheet. A spreadsheet will open in Google Drive. Here all the data is organized in Excel format. You can manage the data easily. As you can see that link is very long. You can shorten the link and share it. Otherwise, create QR code of the shortened link using QR code generator. Print the QR code in bigger size and display wherever you want. So student can scan the QR code and immediately start filling the form. Here I am scanning the QR code on my Android phone and opening the form link. Then starts filling the form. After filling the form, submit. You can see that we have received the response in real time. You can see that spreadsheet is updated with third entry. On settings, you can enable some features like collect email addresses, require sign-in to fill up the form, limit one response per person, respondents can edit after submit, can see summary and text response. On presentation, you can enable or disable show the form progress bar, shuffle questions order, show link to submit another response. You can also edit confirmation message. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.